There is amazing news today, and Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, the first Dawood. It's really worth sitting down. The first fruit of opening the gym is going to take place tonight, inshallah ta'ala. No, of course, nobody's going to come and exercise here or anything, but Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, one of our security guards is going to take his shahada. Takbir! Takbir! Brother Griffin. I'm going to let the Imam give him the Shahada in English, and I'll do it in Arabic. And then he said he would like to say a few things also, inshallah ta'ala. Give him this. Let him just take it. Just 1 second, okay? So, give him this. Just hold this 1 second.
Assalamu alaikum.
So inshallah ta'ala, the Imam is going to tell you what to say in English, then I'm going to say the Arabic part, and then you will say a few words to the brothers, inshallah, to your new brothers and sisters. Let's do the English first.
Do the Arabic first. Go.
Okay.
The Arabic always comes first.
Okay. Let him take Shahada before.
All right. Take the Shahada first?
So you repeat after me. I was going to try to make it easy for you because the English is easier, but Imam decided to do the hard part first. I'm going to say it very slowly, okay, inshallah. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. تكبير.
I bear witness. And I testify. There is none worthy of worship but Allah. And I bear witness. And I testify that Muhammad is his slave and messenger. Takbir. Takbir. You know, one thing about Griffin here is that every day you see him coming, you just see that this passion that he has in his nature, meeting with everyone, hugging everyone. And one time I asked Griffin before that, you know, he had been talking to me and Ustad Bajur about taking this step. And I asked him one time, like, what has brought you to this level and to this point of taking the Shahada? Okay, I'm going to let him say this. But this man is very passionate, and just his love when he comes and sees the people is something amazing. But I'm going to let Griffin mention him for himself.
Thank you, guys. Excuse me, I'm a very emotional person. This is a very special night for me. Very special to be with my brothers. And I just want to say to all of you guys, you know, the love that I get here is unconditional. It's unconditional. Every last one of you gentlemen who I meet at the door, who I greet at the door, from my heart, I truly mean you are my brother. When I stick my hand out to shake your hand, that is my love that I have for you. I will put my life on the line for each and every last one of you.
Takbir.
That's all I got to say.
Inshallah. Mabruk. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless our brother Griffin. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep him steadfast on his deen. And subhanallah, that is the fruit of the akhlaq. That is the fruit of the akhlaq, ya akhwan. Wallahi. With our akhlaq, we could change this whole country. Wallahi. With our akhlaq and our behavior, we could make a huge change. And we have the proof right in front of us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you, my brother. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect you. And before we get all the hugs, this is a gift from us to you, inshaAllah ta'ala. And Brother Samir would like to say something. And I have my halaqah after, don't leave, huh?
Again, brothers and sisters, again, this is very overwhelming. Ever since I've met Brother Griffin and his passion and everything else. So I'd like to, thank, Brother Basir, Brother Bukhari, who directly interact with them day in, day out. day in, day out. I think this is a pure example of bringing somebody to Islam by just our behavior. And this is it. And that doesn't mean now he's going to be lenient to you all and let you into the gymnasium. He still have what it takes. He's going to still comply, inshallah. So it's going to be even more tougher now because he has a right on you now. So Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.